pasta. Today I'm gonna make a beautiful masterpiece in my kitchen with very few ingredients. We're gonna make Turkish börek with a twist on stovetop. I'm gonna use only one phyllo sheets, as we call yufka, and some pasta, cheese, milk, oil, eggs, that's it. It's gonna be ready in half an hour. Let's make it. Okay, I have my linguine pasta ready here. I'm gonna use linguine pasta, half of it, 250 grams. I added some salt and cooked for 8 to 10 minutes until al dente. Use similar pasta types, it doesn't matter, but this works nicely. And I have this yufka sheet. You can use your thick phyllo sheets, whichever available. It is big, so maybe if you are using rectangular ones, you can use 2 or 3 sheets just to cover our non-stick pan. This is about a 28 centimeter. You can use between 20-24. And other things are half a cup of milk, about 1/3 of a cup vegetable or olive oil, 2 eggs, some Turkish white cheese, and I'm gonna use some chopped parsley from the freezer and some butter to give extra taste. First, I mixed my sauce ingredients in a bowl. Added some salt to taste and then cooked pasta. Over the mixture, I'm crumbling my Turkish white cheese and added some chopped parsley from the freezer. In order to not to stick, make sure you use non-stick pan. I butter it because not to prevent sticking, but to help cook my yufka sheet. I'm hanging the sheet from the sides. Make sure it covers the sides of the pan and pour the pasta mixture over it. I realized that I could have get some of the yufka sheets into the bottom of the pan to make it double, create more crust, because this part is going to have more layers. So when you do, just get some of the yufka or use double sheets at the bottom to create even layer. But it's okay, it is just for the look and to get some more crust on the bottom. I'm oiling every layer and then just seal, close. So as you can see, in about 10 minutes it's ready to cook. First I'm gonna cook on medium high. After I get some nice color on the sides, I will flip with a flat lid that can fit to my pan. We use this when we make anchovy tava, which we call hamsi tava. But simply you can use a bigger, like a serving plate. So now we are going to the stove top to cook. I hear some sizzlings. I lower the heat to medium from medium high because we also want to cook the inside pasta with the sauce together, not only the sheets, the outer part. So we're gonna do it slowly, about 10 minutes for each side. If you are enjoying my video, if my content is helpful, make sure to support the channel just by liking, giving a comment and sharing my videos so more people can see the beauty of Turkey and Turkish cuisine. It's been about 8 minutes and I see some golden color. I'm gonna flip upside down. Okay, ready? 1, 2, looks nice. I want to add some extra taste from the butter, so just going to leave from the sides a little bit. It's gonna melt and then get its nice taste to my börek. My tea is brewing here. If you are curious how to make Turkish tea in double pat, I have a special video for it. I'm gonna add it to the links for you to watch. Okay, it's been about 15 to 20 minutes. My tea is ready. One more time, flipping show. And it's done. Let's cut with my börek knife. It is still hot inside, crunchy on top. This is really delicious. I can taste the butter and the cheese. You can also use half mozzarella and half feta if you like. Perfect for afternoon tea time, quick lunch, or whenever you are hungry and craving for something savory and delicious. I hope you're gonna try and enjoy. Make sure to check my other börek recipes from the links and see you next time. Afiyet olsun.